So do you remember that feeling when you were younger, before Christmas? You had that wonderful sense of anticipation, of excitement, of having something really, really great to look forward to. Either that or you've just got your presents at Christmas and you're really enjoying them, and you've got that thing, that special thing, that gem, I don't know, a penknife or something like that. That really excited feeling about life is good. Or maybe when you fall in love and you feel a sense of appreciation, deep appreciation for another person, you just feel life is good and you feel like you're connected to the stream of goodness in life, and you sense that life is good. That feeling you can have every day when you start riding motorbikes. They are exciting, they are life affirming, they are physical, they are mental, they are spiritual, and it's one of these things that you start out doing it and your skills and your experience just continues to grow. To the point that you just keep getting better and better at your writing skills, and you may have something like this in your life. You may not. Some people try to substitute with things like drinking alcohol or taking drugs or going shopping, but actually there's a much more healthy way of getting your kicks. And it doesn't have to be adrenaline fueled. It could be slow, steady cruising around. So it's not about death-defying stunts. It's about getting out, riding, breathing, seeing the scenery, smelling the air, feeling the visceral feeling of riding, the feedback from the bars, the congruence or lack of congruence between your eyes and what you're feeling from the road beneath, the acceleration, the forces, the braking, and pushing yourself, pushing your limits daily, and getting into a place where you're continually stretching yourself. That's really what riding is, in my opinion. So that's why you would ride. It's just one of the most wonderful hobbies that I think you could take on. It's relatively inexpensive, and it provides you with so many positives, from character development, confidence, coordination. It works your eyes out, it works your body out, it keeps you fit, it works your core muscles, your arms, your hands. If you're somebody who sits behind a desk all the time, then even a commute on the motorcycle is a physical workout. So if you're in your 40s and 50s and you've not considered it, then definitely give it some consideration. It's a wonderful hobby, and I would be happy to give you some tips and pointers about how to get your motorcycling career off to the best kind of start, and so you can have a long, happy, healthy motorcycling career.